Do you ever feel like your mind just won't stop? Like even the smallest things turn into endless thoughts? If yes, you're not alone. This is called overthinking, and it's more common than you think. Overthinkers don't just think more, they think deeper. They replay conversations, analyze every word, and imagine what could go wrong next. But why does this happen? Psychology says overthinking is your brass way of trying to protect you. It believes if I think about every possible outcome, I can avoid pain. But here's the problem. Life isn't predictable. No matter how much you think, you can't control everything. So instead of solving problems, overthinking creates anxiety. It traps you in a loop of what ifs. What if I fail? What if they judge me? What if I made a mistake? And slowly, your mind becomes your biggest enemy. But here's something surprising. Most overthinkers are actually highly aware people. They notice details others completely ignore. That's why they struggle, because they see too much and feel too deeply. So how do you stop overthinking? You don't fight your thoughts. You learn to let them pass, like clouds in the sky. You observe, but you don't attach, because peace doesn't come from controlling everything. It comes from accepting uncertainty. So next time your mind won't stop, remember this. You don't need to think more. You just need to think less.